Good morning everyone, my name is Nitin and today we are going to study the second chapter of class 9, that is polynomial. In order to know what are polynomials, we should know the definition of variables. What are variables? Variables are the alphabets that we use in an equation. That is, you have seen a lot of equations like 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 7 plus 4 equal to 11. But when a variable is included in that equation, it is known as a plus b is equal to 5. Here a and b, the alphabets, are variable. If in equation we use a alphabet a or b or c or d or any alphabet of English language or Roman language or maths language alpha, beta, gamma, it is known as variables. Now moving forward, we are going to know the definition of polynomials. What are polynomials? So polynomials are the expression or equation that consists of variable, constants and mathematical operation. So polynomials are the expression. It means any equation just like 2a plus b plus 7 is equal to 0. 7, let us say divide by 7 is equal to 0. Here any expression that consists of variable, here the variable is a and b, constant, or even we can say coefficient. Constant, here the constant is 7, coefficient, the values in front of any variable is known as coefficient, and mathematical operation. Mathematical operations are plus, minus, multiply and divide. So any expression containing these terms is known as polynomial. Any doubt? Now let us move forward and know the types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Firstly, there is monomial, or we say polynomial of one variable. What are monomial? Polynomials containing only one variable in an equation is known as monomial. For example, if we say 7a is equal to 0, it is a monomial. If we say 8 plus a is equal to 0, it is a monomial. If we say 7 divided by a is equal to 7, it is a monomial. Any doubt? Now moving forward, we are going to know the definition of binomial. What are binomials? Polynomials containing two variables in an equation is known as binomials. For example, how we can write it? 7a plus b is equal to 0. 7 divided by a multiplied by b, not multiply, plus b is equal to 0, or 6 is an binomial, or a plus b equal to 7 is also a binomial. Any doubt? Moving forward, the next definition will be trinomial. So, polynomials containing 3 variables are known as trinomials. For example, a plus b plus c equal to 0, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0, or 7a plus b divided by c equal to 0 are the examples of trinomials. Any doubt? Now, in this chapter, we are just going to know what are monomials and trying to solve the examples or questions of monomials only, that is of one variable. Now, polynomial in one variable, you already know that they are known as monomials. Now, let us see that. We are going to do the first question. Are the following check. The followings are polynomial in one variable or not. So our example will be x plus 7 equal to 0, 2, 4x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Third, 4 under root t plus 4 equal to 0. Fourth, t raised to power 3 by 4 plus 7 equal to 0. 5, y plus 7 upon y equal to 0. So, for first question, here, yes, it is a polynomial in one variable because we have only one variable here. Similarly, for second question as well, yes, it is a polynomial in one variable, that is, it is a monomial. Now, moving forward to third question. Here, no, it is not a polynomial. Reason we are writing because look at t. T is under root t. Under root t can be written as t raised to power 1 by 2. And if any variable has the power in fraction or point, it is not a polynomial. So, reason is because under root t has 1 by 2 as its power. Now, moving forward to fourth question. Here the answer will also be no because the power of a variable is in fraction. That's why we cannot say that it is a polynomial. Now moving forward to fifth question. Here see, y plus, if we want to take this y in the numerator, we are going to say it is y raised to power minus 1. And as I already told you, the power of y should neither be fraction nor be in negative number. So the answer will be no, it is not a polynomial, because power of variable y is minus 1. Any doubt? Now from this we get an important note here. First the note: any expression or equation, any expression or equation is a polynomial if the power of its variable is in whole number. Since we already know what are whole numbers, so if the power of any variable is whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then it is known as polynomial. But if its power is not a whole number, it is not a polynomial. Any doubt? Now moving forward, we have known the first type of polynomials. Now we are going to know another types of polynomials, but before that we are going to know what is degree of a polynomial. Let us say we have x raised to power 10 plus 10 equal to 0, 7x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0, 7x raised to power 7 plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Let us take 5, not 7. Let us take x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. Now what is degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is the maximum power of a variable. So the maximum power of a variable is known as its degree. So here in the first example, see, what are the variables available in this example? That is only x. The maximum power of x is 10, so the degree of this quotient will be 10. Now moving forward to second example, look here, we have 2x, and here the power of x is 2, and here the power of x is 1. So the degree of this quotient will be the maximum power of x, that is 2. Look here. Here we have two variables, that is x and y. But the power of x is 7 and power of y is 1. So the degree here is going to be 7. Any doubt? Look here. All x, y and z have power 2, 2, 2. So the degree is going to be 2. Any doubt? Now moving forward to this, we are going to know types of polynomials based on their degree. Types of polynomials based on their degree. Let us see. First are linear. polynomials. What are linear polynomials? Polynomials whose degree is 1 are known as linear. Example: any expression whose power of variable is 1, it is known as linear polynomial. That is x plus 7 equal to 0. In this expression, the power of x means the power of variable is 1, so it is known as linear polynomial. Y divided by 7 equal to 0 is also a linear polynomial, and 7y plus 7 equal to 0 is also a linear polynomial. Any doubt? Second, quadratic. Polynomials whose degree is 2 are known as quadratic polynomials. For an example, here x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0, the maximum power of the expression is 2, so it is known as quadratic polynomial. Y square plus 7 equal to 0, the maximum power here of the polynomial is 2, so it is also a quadratic polynomial. Now x square equal to 0 is also a quadratic polynomial because the maximum power of variable in this expression is also 2. Any doubt? So, what are linear polynomials? Polynomials whose degree is 1 are known as linear. Polynomials whose degree is 2 are known as quadratic polynomials. Any doubt? Now, moving forward to next one. That is number 3. Cubic polynomials. What are cubic polynomials? Polynomials whose degree is 3 are known as cubic polynomial. For an example, x cube plus 7x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Now moving forward, y cube plus 7 equal to 0 or y cube plus 5 equal to 0 are cubic polynomials. Any doubt? Now, based on this, I am going to give you some example and you have to find whether it is a linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. So, our first question is x cube x plus 7 equal to 0. So, it is a cubic polynomial. Why it is a cubic polynomial? Because the highest power of a variable is 3 here, and so the degree of this quotient is 3, thus it is a cubic polynomial. In second case, it is a quadratic polynomial. In third case, it is a cubic polynomial because here the maximum power of the variable y is 3. Fourth is a linear polynomial because the maximum power of this equation is 1. And last is it is a quadratic polynomial. Any doubt? Moving forward, what if someone has given us a question that let p of x a polynomial where it is 4x cube plus 7x minus x square, and find the value of polynomial for x equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x equal to 2. What we are going to do then? So the answer of this question be, for x equal to 0, here p of, write 0 wherever you see x. P of 0 equal to 4 into 0 cube 7 into 0 minus 0 square. So the answer will be 0 plus 0 minus 0. The answer for x equal to 0 of this equation will be 0. Now for x equal to 1, you are going to put the value of x equal to 1 in the expression. That is p of 1 is equal to 4 1 cube plus 7 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 1's cube is 1 plus 7 into 1 is 7 minus 1 square is 1. So 4 plus 7 minus 1 will be 10. Any doubt? Now we have to find the value of the expression for x equal to 2. Just put the value of x equal to 2 in all the expression. That is 4 into 2 cube plus 7 into 2 minus 2 square. So the answer will be 4. Firstly, you have to find the cube and square of the number. That is 2 cube is 8 plus 7 into 2 is 14 minus 2 square is 4. Here 4 into 8 is 32 plus 14 minus 4 is 10. So the answer of this question will be 42. Any doubt? If the similar expression is given to us and the question is not this, the question is let p of x be an expression or polynomial equal to 4x cube plus 7x minus x square, and you have to find the value of and find the value of p of 1, p of 2 and p of 3. What you are going to do? Just like this. For p of 1, you are going to put x equal to 1 in all the polynomial. That is, we have find the value of p of 1 here. You are looking this? Yes. If you have to find the value of p of 2, it means you have to put the value of x or any variable given in the expression as 2. Just like this. P of 3 means that you have to put the value of 3 in the expression as along. If you have to find the p of 3, it means p of 3 equal to 4 into 3 cube plus 7 into 3 minus 3 square. So our answer is going to be 3 into 27 plus 21 minus 9. So our answer will be 8, 2 up 10 plus 12, 120. So thus we have find the value of p of 3. Any doubt? Now we are going to know what is 0 of a polynomial. Here let us take an example, x plus 7 equal to 0. For what value? Not x plus 7, x minus 7 equal to 0. For what value of 7 this answer is valid? So we say for x equal to 7, you will get left hand side equal to 7 minus 7 equal to 0. X minus 7, put the value of x here, 7 minus 7 equal to 0. So you see here that for x is equal to 7, this equation is satisfied. Thus it means that x equal to 7 is the zeroth polynomial. So the answer for which we get the equation satisfied is known as zero of the polynomial. Any doubt? Now we have to find the zero of the polynomial. Find the zero of the polynomial for first we have given p of x equal to x plus 5. Second, p of x equal to, let us say take some difficult one, 3x minus 2. Third, p of x equal to cx plus d. And fourth, let us take p of x equal to 7x plus 7. Now in this type of question, what you are going to do, just write 0 on the place of p of x. So after writing 0 in place of p of x, you will get 0 is equal to x plus 5. Now here it is plus 5 on the right hand side, and going to left hand side it will be minus 5. So the answer here will be x equal to minus 5. In second expression, just place the value 0 in place of p of x. So you will get 0 equal to 3x minus 2. Since 2 is in subtraction or minus on the right hand side, so after coming to the left hand side it will be plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 3 is in multiply with x, so on the left hand side it will be in divide with 2. Any doubt? In third case, just write 0 in the place of p of x. So it will be 0 equal to cx plus d. Firstly, take this plus d and just throw it in the left hand side. You will get minus d into c into x. So after finding the value of x, it will be minus d upon c. In fourth case, just write 0 on the place of p of x equal to 7x plus 7. So firstly, get this plus 7 onto the left hand side, it will be minus 7. 7x, 7 is in multiply here, so minus 7 divided by 7, the answer will be minus 1. Any doubt? So that's all for today's class. We are going to study some more topics in our upcoming classes, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.